Computers, one of the wonderful inventions made by man. We see computers everywhere and we use them every day. From pocket calculators to ATM machines, desktops, mobile phones, industrial robots, they are everywhere around us, doing everything for us. Now, if we want to get a work done by a person, we communicate with them using something called a language. In the same way, to communicate with a computer and get the job done, we use something called a programming language. Now, what is Python? Python is one of the top programming languages in the world. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum back in 1980s, and it was initially released in 1991. In 2000, a major upgrade to Python was released called Python 2 with features like garbage collector and memory management. In 2006, Python changed its logo to what we see today. In 2008, Python 3 was released. In January 2020, the support for Python 2 has officially ended. Now, the current version for Python is Python 3.9. Now, how does Python work? We all know that computers only understand binary language. Generally, any programming language is translated from code to binary code using a software called a compiler. But some other programming languages like Python use some other type of software called an interpreter. An interpreter is just like a compiler. The only difference is a compiler converts all the code into binary code at once, while an interpreter does the same thing but line by line. While compiling has certain advantages like faster execution, interpreting has certain other advantages like easier debugging. In the next video, we'll see some of the key features of Python which make it so popular.